Today we're going to talk about how to use Scratch, or rather, how to make your own video game, as the title says. So, to make the long-awaited video game, you need a program called Scratch. As soon as you go into Google and type in Scratch, the first result that you get, download Scratch, an MIT program, is what you need to select. And then once you follow the on-screen instructions, you get this on your menu. Just click it. Okay, there are two essential components of Scratch. One is the stage or the background, and the other are the characters, like in any drama. Now we don't want a cat because we are making a table tennis game. And I don't think table tennis ever interlinked with cats. Okay, so now, the background I'm going to paint it in the style of a table tennis field. Not field, what do you call it? Table. Yeah, so I'm putting up the net. Is this middle? Yeah, roughly. They should be doing good. Yep, okay. Okay, this is way off the target. No, I want to move this. I have to move this a little. Okay, it doesn't really matter. Okay, let's just undo. Okay, let's just see. Cancel and do it again. Edit. What color? Black. White. Is this the middle? I'm not sure. Oh, that was black. We need white. Why do I keep messing up? Zillion times I do this. Never get it right. Okay, that's roughly the code. And then we have to hit two different colors. What says? Blue here. Take a line around the face. And then say pink here. This is for a specific reason, which you're gonna... Oh no, I hate this. Which you're gonna know very soon. Okay. So, the white thing is on it, pink is one end, and blue is the other end. Now let's get into paddles. Sprite, as I told you, is a character. In this case, they're the paddles. So let's say one red sprite. Yeah. What the? What's for such a small thing? I'm taking it. Okay. Close it. Escape. Click out. There we are. Now, and then we need a bowl. Choose sprite. Sorry, what am I even doing? Don't choose ones which have a script like this one. Choose one which doesn't have a script. It can be any. Fancy table tennis. Bowl. Okay, decent size. What is this position? That point is actually the center. We messed it up by like half a centimeter. Okay, that was close enough. Yeah. So whenever green flag or start is clicked, you want it to come back to original position, which is 0, 0. So when green flag, we're in the scripts by the way. So script is like Java scripting, like that script. So when green flag is clicked, go to x equals to 0, y equal to. This is preset according to the position of the sprite where you place it. So once you place it in the original position and then click motion, then you get this. And then control forever. These are things that are like logical. Move 10 steps. If on edge, bounce. See, forever it will move 10 steps. And if it's on the edge, it will bounce away. Okay? Now, we don't want it to go like that. That makes your game boring. It's like saying, and a 2 table tennis player just playing straight, without any topspin or any curve. And that's really dumb. So turn some amount of degree. Which is pick random between, let's say, 70 to it makes sense to put this 145 or so. When I click green, it goes in a pretty fair direction. Okay, so that is the basic, and then we have to program the sprite. Okay, first we have to make sure that when the ball hits one of the sprites, it bounces back. So, where is it? When green flag starts, if sensing, touching, sprite 1, we can say move back. So that would be motion, turn. You want it to turn this way when it goes back rather than this way, because it will be coming from this direction. So turn, it's not 15. Operator, pick random between, I'll say, let's put 15 and 135. Green. Let's move this around. Wait. Why did it mess up? Forever, yeah. It's forever if and not just if. See, it's a basis of trial and error. If you keep going on... Now, let's see. See? So it works. Now let's put this back into position and get a script for this. Sprite 1. When up keys, this is on the left side, so the player on the left side would generally use W and S as up and down. That's like common in all games we play. So let's put that. W, S. and then go to motion. Now, we don't want it to move. You know the coordinates, right? This is x, this is y. Vertical is y, horizontal is x. You don't want it to change by x-axis because you want it to be in the same line but move up and down. So you have to change y by 10 to go up and y by minus 10 to go down. Now let's forget about the ball for a second because it's working perfectly and test this. Ding dong. There we are. You see? As soon as I click W, it goes up, S down. On count of 3, 2, 1, we're gonna start. 3, 2, 1, go! Yep, it works. Now, we want to put the same command for sprite 2, for sprite 3, sorry. So duplicate it, bring it here, and then change this color to any color which is not these, blue, white, or pink, or red, obviously. Or you can have it red as well, it doesn't really matter. Anybody in there? Okay, so now when I put up the script, not W now, but it's up and down. Let's test it. Up. Hello. W. S. Here it's up and down, right? So let's see. Doing, doing. Okay. For sprite 2 as well, you just have to duplicate this. Now let's test. Okay. So it works. Actually, my keys are a bit weak, so my keyboard keys. Well, that's not the issue here. So let's continue. Now we have the basic structure. And we have to get in the score. Who would want to play a game without score? Imagine Olympic Games without score. I'd be really bored to death. Okay, so now let me push this. We should be in the sprite 2 or the ball column. If you want to rename it, right click rename. There. Sorry. Okay, so we're in sprite 2 column and now we have to introduce variable. Variable is something that keeps changing. So let's say player 1 is the left side guy or girl, gal, same thing. Control. So when green flag is, so when the game starts, it should be 0 is goal. I don't want to give a head start to anyone. And then put down the forever. Forever if, not forever. Sensor. Touching color this time. Because if the ball touches pink, player 1 gets a point. Ball touches blue, player 2 gets a point. That's the objective. Okay, we've changed it. Variable. Change player 1 by 1. Test it. Oh no, not really. Okay, where is it? Okay, see that? You bounce between and on. So that's why you have to fill it a bit back. So that there's no chance of bouncing like that. At the most you lose only 1 point. I wanted to share that, that's why I was waiting so long. If I click red and green, it goes back to 0. Okay? Now, we just duplicate this. Right click. Duplicate. Player 2 this time. Oh, we have to make a new variable called player 2. Player 2 should be this side. You can put names like, I don't know. I put my name and my friend's name if me and my friend are playing. Player 2. That one. Win. Messed up. Screwed up. And so it's like that. So basically, it's like that. It's a simple way to make a game. I'll teach you how to make a race car in the next video.